Hey guys, it's Wiz. Just going to do a walkthrough of my ute and the setup that I have. This should be able to give a few of you an idea on how you're going to set up your own vehicles. First, I have my main toolbox. It's a solid stainless steel 3mm thickness, very sturdy, very strong. I do window cleaning as well, so a lot of my window cleaning kit is here. I've got all my brushes. I've got these 4 or 5 drawers. You can literally put anything in there. All my pressure cleaning bits and pieces that you may need on the job if you ever break down. All sorts of stuff like that. Here I have all my window cleaning attachments that sit on the brushes, like on the G-force and stuff like that. Here there's a few more bits and pieces, mainly tools, extensions. And then here, it's just an empty drawer with a bit of nothing in there. All right, what do we got? We got my soft wash pump. So my pump is a Giants 25 watt, 1 in, 1 out. This in comes from the chemical tank, or you can put whatever you want in that tank, and then it goes in, pump, and comes out into the hose reel. So it goes from there, that, up. These are very hard to find attachments. This is the hose reel, stainless steel because I'm using chemicals. This is the inlet, so where all the water comes in from the customer's tap. So that's 30 meters. This is 50 meters, which is just enough to get the job done. This is 65 meters, 1/4 inch pressure hose with a ball valve on there to open and shut the water as you change from the gun to the surface cleaner. I don't use quick connects on any of my things other than the tips. It's called the M22, I believe. This is an M22 female. They last 100 times longer. And this reel here is about 110 meters of window cleaning hose for the filtered water system. Obviously my ladder. This is a side view of the reels. Really good reels I got here. It's worth investing in something really good. As you can see, I've got a double stacker here. And then these, I've just screwed them onto each other. The soft wash, so this is the chemical tank. The hose on the right is the only hose that's in use. That was a wrong hole that I did, so I just blocked it off. 1 hole in, straight out, straight in, and it goes straight into the pump. Now, what I have here is somewhere where I can attach my inlet to fill up the tank with water, or if I shut this off, now the water is forced in, bounces back and goes back into the pump. So after every wash, you got to flush out the water pump. Okay, so if you're not using it, turn it off. What else? We've got the inlet that comes from the water fed pole, window cleaning kit that goes straight into the filtering system, goes back out, as you can see, and it goes into the window cleaning. So I use the same inlet for the water tank. When I don't want to use it, I take it off. I bring it around. I take this off. All this is just a dead end, so the water has nowhere to go. Take it off. Then you grab this in. I open the valve, and then it lets all the water in from the customer's tap. It's really quick idea. Really good. Then this is my pressure cleaner. It's a 21 litre per minute machine. I don't know how much it is in gallons in the American version. Again, this is the inlet coming from the mains. This is the mains coming from the customer's tap straight into there. But as you can see, we've got another valve here, open and shut. So you can be creative and make what you want. All right. So my setup has a built-in buffer tank. I don't like it, but it's there. In the future, this is going to come off and we'll have another tank besides this one, strictly just for water. because a lot of water overflows and goes down and enters into the pump. So you see the pump here, that's the 21 litre pump. It's a Comet pump. It's one of the best ones out there, if not the actual best. I wouldn't get anything less. I think they're Italian pumps. This is done over 700 hours and hasn't missed a heartbeat. The machine itself is 4,000 PSI. Petrol tank is about 25 litres or so in there. And then this here is my other toolbox. Now this one was from Bunnings, and if you can see, it's really flimsy. This one's only 1 mil. If you have a look, it's not solid, it's crap. So invest in a good 3 millimeter stainless steel checkered toolbox. In here I've got my little generator. I've got a few window cleaning items in there, gum boots. All my extensions and poles all fit in here. They're all 1.5 meters, so they just fit in here. Attachments, nozzles, the J-rod. This is the tool that you all must have. Now we have the gun, the pressure cleaning gun. Now most people use quick connects. I don't. I use a WAP connection. So basically this is what goes in to the gun. And then there's a quick release from here. There you go. That's your quick release. They call it a WAP connection, W-A-P. Basically, you just put it in. Can't do it with one hand, but you pull that back, push it in, and it's done. It's the best tool, better than the quick connect. Quick connect do wear out over time. What happens is these little grooves in here over time with the high pressure, they just sort of give in, and then when you put it in, it gets stuck and it won't come out. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So this is an overall look again. And just in here in the middle is where I put my surface cleaner. This is my surface cleaner. It's a bar 20-inch well away. It's all solid metal, stainless steel. Had it for about 2 years. Excellent tool. Let's talk surface cleaner. Okay. Surface cleaner and maintenance. Every day, check it for items like this. They get stuck on there. You've got to make sure you put your grease in there, grease it maybe once a week. This spins around. Now, as you can see over time, these start to wear out. If you look carefully, you can see this side is worn out and this side is full. Yeah. So these, look at this one. These are due for a replacement. They're only $20 each. You just take them off and put them back in, put some tape on there, and that's all. Really good thing.